Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what I can confidently say is the best colored lace front wig human hair pre-plucked available right now. The Loyom Pink Lace Front Wig. If you're looking for luxury, quality, and standout style, you're going to want to stick around for the next few minutes. Let's start with the wow factor, the color. This wig comes in a vibrant yet soft pink hue that walks the perfect line between bold and elegant. It's not too loud, but it definitely turns heads. Whether you're going for a chic everyday look or need something eye-catching for an event, this wig delivers effortless glam without looking artificial. Now, let's talk quality. This is a 100% human hair wig, no synthetics mixed in. That means you're getting the natural movement, texture, and styling flexibility that only real human hair can provide. You can straighten it, curl it, dye it, or wear it as is, and it holds up beautifully. And since it's human hair, it feels soft and silky, not plasticky or wiry like cheaper alternatives. This unit features a 13x4 lace frontal design, which gives you ample parting space and a more realistic hairline. The lace is HD transparent, making it blend effortlessly into most skin tones. It's pre-plucked with baby hairs included, so you don't have to do any extra customization, just install and go. That means it's beginner-friendly while still delivering a professional-grade look. Now let's talk density. This wig comes in at 200% density, and that is no joke. It's thick, full, and luxurious from root to tip. No thinning ends, no see-through patches. It's a wig that gives you volume and body right out of the box. And speaking of body, the wave pattern on this wig is stunning. The body wave texture gives you that effortlessly voluminous look with just the right amount of bounce and flow. You'll feel like you're walking out of a salon every single day. The cap construction also deserves some praise. It's breathable and secure, with adjustable straps to ensure a snug fit. Whether you have a small or larger head size, this wig will accommodate you comfortably without slipping or shifting. Plus, it doesn't tangle easily, and shedding is minimal. Both major wins in the wig world. This particular unit is 22 inches long, which gives you a nice mid-back length. Great for styling versatility without being too long to manage. Whether you wear it down, half up, or in a ponytail, it holds styles well and always looks polished. It's the full package. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you're ready to upgrade your wig game, this might just be the best investment you'll make in your beauty routine. See you in the next review.